With so much information online, how can you tell if what you are looking at is credible? Let's say you have an assignment to research immigration to America. In your online search, you come across an organization called Center for Immigration Studies. Looks credible, right? But how do we get to the truth of the matter? Don't read what the page says about itself. Get off the page. Investigate the source you are looking at. Let's start with Wikipedia. Go to the search bar and after the domain, type in Wikipedia. The Wikipedia page will pop up. Most fact checkers use Wikipedia as a starting point. If you are not sure you can trust Wikipedia, scroll to the bottom of the page to check that the information is coming from a trustworthy source. Verifiable references are present at the bottom of each Wikipedia page to support written content. Wikipedia won't always return a high-quality article, but it's a great start for investigating organizations. You will see that this organization is an anti-immigration think tank founded by a white nationalist named John Tanton. This source has a clear bias and does not reflect a neutral point of view and is therefore not credible. How can you tell what is true and what is false on social media? Many falsehoods and misinformation on the pandemic have been promoted on social media. Plandemic, a 26-minute video posted on May of 2020, surfaced on social media with numerous false claims around the coronavirus. How can you tell if the information in this video is true or false? Fact checkers can do this for us. Snopes is a quality fact-checking site. To learn if the content of the Plandemic video is trustworthy, type Snopes after the word Plandemic in the search bar. Here we can see that Snopes is debunking the content of this video. Invest your time wisely. Investigate sources before you read. Go out and find better sources. Look for trusted work.